Hi, this is my update for my calendar website. So this is my A-level project for A-level computer science. So we can see a few changes to the main calendar. So as you can see here, there's these filtering options up here. So this is for filtering the calendar based on these tags. So if you notice, the events have different colors now, which is associated with the tag priority that each one is. So we can specify that as the user. So this one's low. Yellow is medium and red is high, and so we can go ahead and we can create a new, like, for tag test. Oops. Oh, there we go. We won't include any of the users because it's pointless at the moment, but we'll specify that it should be, if you notice, by default it was specified to low, and so if we created that, first of all it resets to the month that I'm on, and there we go. We can see that there's the tag test set with a priority of low. We can try another one as well, or I'll just do it on a different day. So tag test 2, 13, 6, and then I'll put it as medium, for example, and go back to the month, and we can see that it's yellow. And I've also implemented drag and drop. So as you can see, we can like drag around the events, and then if I change the month and go back, they stay in the same place. So if you know it was this 6 and this 12 that I changed, and if I refresh and go back, they stay in the same position, so it updates. And there's also a note section now as well. And so on this, I'd already entered these notes for this month. If I clear that and press save and then refresh and then go back to that month, we can see that it's blank. But if I go to a month where I haven't, a month, there we go, finally, because I'd already made notes for those months at some point. But this is a month that has never had notes created, and so the placeholder has typed some notes here, and it's not actually typed in. So it's the default is that it has a placeholder. But if you then create a notes instance for that month, then it'll remember that, and it'll never show you the type some notes here for that month again. So we can do it like testing the notes for, so it's in July. So I'll press save, and we refresh the page, and then we go back to July 2022. You can see that the notes have been saved, and if we go sort of onto the other months, then they change, so it's dynamic. So that's nice. And if you see that the tag priority is maintained for the coloring, it's maintained even after dragging and dropping. So if we refresh, there we go, and all the locations are saved. So thanks for watching. So I realized that I forgot to show the filtering, so I'll show that now. So if we can see, if I turn off the high filter, the high one disappears. Same with the medium, same with the low, and you can also stack them. And there's also a filter for if it was created by another user. So in this case, we can see it's called other users test. It wasn't, so it means that it's a shared task that wasn't created by the account that's currently logged in. I wonder if there's any others that were not created by this account. No, doesn't look like it. But yeah, so that's just a quick demonstration of the filtering, which works for all of them, for all the different ones. So that's good. Okay, thanks for watching.